The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Stocks and Securities Limited, which recently sold its repo book to Jane Fund Management and which is now the subject of an audit by the Financial Services Commission, plans to focus on three main growth areas as it restructures the business. In a press statement today geared at transparency and to allay the fears of investors, SSL said it was focusing on wealth management, investment advisory, and custody services. The company emphasized that all its clients' assets are safe as they are properly segregated and recorded under the FSC's Margin T regulations, meaning that they are separate and free and clear at all times. The company says it will be strengthening its customer focus going forward and will be charging on the value of client investment portfolios on the basis of good service. Yesterday, news broke that FSC auditors went into stocks and securities to assess the affairs of the company following the sale of its repo book to Jane Fund Management. The FSC has emphasized that it still regulates Stocks and Securities Limited. On the foreign exchange market, the Jamaican dollar strengthened against the three regularly traded foreign currencies today. In other words, the US and the Canadian dollars as well as the British pound weakened against the Jamaican dollar. The benchmark American dollar lost 6 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $104.93, whilst the Canadian dollar declined by 52 cents Jamaican to close at $102.74. Sterling fell by 99 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $170.32. At news time, it wasn't clear whether today's strengthening of the Jamaican dollar was driven by any intervention into the market by the central bank, as the Bank of Jamaica isn't giving this information to the media. I shall press on though. News on the Jamaican stock market now, as losers outperformed winners by 2-1. The Jamaican stock market indices suffered moderate losses today. The main JC index fell by 16.3 points or 0.02%. 22 stocks traded, with 5 advancing, 10 declining, and 7 holding firm. The winners included Carreras Kingston Wharves, up 5.6%, and NCB. The losers included Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Lime, down 5.5%, Sagicor Investments, Sagicor Life Jamaica, and Scotia Group. Amidst wider allegations of race fixing at Caymanas Track Limited, the management of Caymanas Track Limited has referred a specific incident which occurred on Heroes Day to the Jamaica Racing Commission, the regulator for horse racing in Jamaica. Now, the OJR understands that the cabinet minister with responsibility for racing, Horace Daly, has been briefed on the matter. There have been widespread allegations of possible race fixing in 3 races that day. Horse racing has been enjoying a modest financial turnaround since the advent of Sunday racing. So far, there are no credible offers on the table for the divestment of the track. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by